Hi, it's me, Mila, and welcome to At Home with Mama Mila, where you are in my kitchen, in my life, experiencing the chaos that is my personality. So, today we are again not going to necessarily cook, but let's talk about olive oil. This is a spicy topic if you live where I live, because people have been talking about where to get olive oil. And I think it's something that just comes naturally as you start looking into things and, researching and really discovering that some companies be bamboozling you through olive oil. I don't think any of them are here. Okay, I haven't spent 6 years researching every single brand. But the thing is, as we go through them, I'll talk to you about why I choose these brands. Growing up, we stole olive oil from the restaurant. So I just, my mom was a single mom, and the time that we did spend at home, we went grocery shopping at the restaurant, or my nonna would sneak olive oil and cheese and eggs and stuff into the back of my mom's car. And that's how just life is. And honestly, if you have a nonna, nonnas always send you home with food. So this is going to represent the olive oil that I steal from the restaurant home. The olive oil that we steal from the restaurant comes directly imported from Italy. It is one single origin that is organic. Nunzio's throwing stuff. He's like, Ma, what's going on? Huh? He's getting antsy. But we're still going to talk about olive oil. Okay. So it is organic, it is single origin, it is from where the region that my family is from. We try to stay as authentic as possible. It comes in a big, huge thing. I don't have one here at home to show you, but this is going to represent the ones that I steal from there, because I'll just put it in a quart container and then that's it. This is a local brand. This is Nashville Olive Oil Company. I know the owners of this company. I've also done their Christmas party as a chef to table experience using their olive oils. If you saw my shelf over there, I think I have probably at least 15 olive oil and balsamics from them. In fact, this one is a ginger and black garlic infused olive oil. I use this all the time when I make Asian salads, or when we make Asian bowls for our family to eat. In talking to them, this is not sprayed with chemicals or pesticides. I've spoken to them and I know them, they are gluten-free people. They research stuff. And so I just trust them with that. And this is my house, okay? Don't come at me as, a crazy person and be like, at the restaurant, you claim blah, blah. This is my house. Don't get crazy. This is a new olive oil that I actually bought. It's from Italy. It's 100% extra virgin olive oil. I just used it the other day, but I got this from my family's new deli, which also is an Italian market that just opened here. And I was really excited to open it. And, I think that why does olive oil smell so good? I think that people are surprised that when you have good quality olive oil, it's bitter. It's not sweet. If your olive oil is sweet, it's being cut with something. So, this is Barbaro brand. I think that's how you say it. But anyways, I just wanted to try this, and I don't really know much about it, but my aunt was like, hey, that comes from Italy, and it says imported from Italy, and it says imported by. Oh, this is the man, Stefano Barbaro. Wow, really should research before I turn on the camera. That's fine. Anyways, you call him if you got problems, all right? 49 Lowell Street, Peabody, MA, Massachusetts. That's where you get him. The zip code is 01960. Don't come at me. Okay, now this has been all the rage. I know you've seen it everywhere. This says that it's from Spain. That's pretty much it. It is non-GMO. verified, which I like. But I don't know what that really, like, I don't know if that means that it hasn't been sprayed with pesticides. I will say it says no blending, no funny business, just 100% pure olive oil from, oh my gosh, how do you say Jaen? Jane? No. I'm not Spanish. Okay, whatever that is, Spain. Please don't come at me, you guys. I'm just like trying to survive, okay? Anyways, this is like the 4th bottle that I've used of this. And what's cool about this is you can actually order like refills and it comes in like a pop can and you just put it in here. I really enjoy it. It's good. I have this one and I have the drizzle. Look, there's barely any left. And this is dirty. But I use these all the time. I enjoy them. They have a mild flavor. I feel like they should sponsor me. They probably won't sponsor me because I can't even say where it's from. But I use it. This is another brand that I get a lot. This one though is multi-origin. So, you know, people get all anal about that, whatever. I typically use this when I have to make like cutlets or something like that on a medium, like a medium heat. You know, I'm making chicken cutlets. I'm trying to not necessarily fry something all the way because you don't want to like really fry in olive oil. I don't know, you guys. I kind of feel like people are always like, oh, it makes it go bad, blah, 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 blah. Is that true? Or is that something that's told to us by the seed oil industry? Something to think about. My nonna always fried stuff in olive oil and, well, she's dead. But it wasn't because of that. Okay, she had cancer and a heart attack. But it definitely wasn't because she fried something in olive oil. You can't get uterine cancer from that. Well. The rest of us are alive and we're the ones who ate it, all right? That's all I gotta say about that. We all got problems though, so maybe don't listen to me. I'm sure some science nerd's gonna come by and say why NASA says that, you know, you shouldn't fry in olive oil. Anyways, it's on medium heat. It's not high heat. Don't come at me. This is what I use for that. Has this been a very chaotic time with me? Yes. But I'm going to let you know that you have signed up for this friendship. And this comes free with your subscription to being my friend. And also, if there's somebody you're looking to date, you just send me his name and I'm the FBI. I'd be finding about his ex-wife, why she's been posting about narcissists, whatever you want. I will find it. Anyways, okay, I'm wrapping this up because I gotta go see my baby. He's so cute and thick. He says, yeah. He says, Mama, make me some pasta. You can't, you have to wait till your gut is developed. Anyways, okay. Thank you for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe because we're friends now. Don't forget. I love seeing you at the restaurant. I love seeing you here at my home. Thanks for having this discussion with me. Let me know your favorite olive oil in the comments. Don't try and school me about olive oil. I won't read it. I love you. Don't forget to like and subscribe here on YouTube, on Instagram, on Facebook, and TikTok. Tanti Bachi.